David, are you using the internet right now? I'm having some trouble with my laptop.
No, I'm just reading a book. What kind of trouble are you having? Is your laptop running slow again?
It's not the laptop. I'm trying to watch a video online, but it just won't load. It keeps showing that little spinning circle. It's been trying to load for 5 minutes.
Oh, that's annoying. Let me check on my phone. Maybe it's just the website you were on. Some video websites can be very slow.
I already tried a different website. I tried to just search for something, and that page didn't load either. I really don't think it's a website problem.
You're right, I can't connect either. My phone says it is connected to the Wi-Fi, but no websites are opening. It says no internet connection.
I knew it. So it's not just my laptop. The internet is down. This is so frustrating. I was really looking forward to watching my show.
I have an important video call for work in an hour. This is not good at all. We need to figure out what's wrong and fix it quickly.
Okay, let's not panic. We can solve this. Where do we even begin? I am not very good with technology problems.
Me neither, but we can try some basic things first. Let's start with the simplest checks and see if we can find the problem.
Okay, first step. Let's check our devices one more time. Look at the top of your laptop screen. Does it show the little Wi-Fi symbol?
Yes, the symbol is there. It has full bars, too. It looks like it has a very strong connection. That's what is so confusing.
My phone is the same. It shows a full Wi-Fi signal, but when I try to open a browser, nothing happens. This means we are connected to our router, but the router is not connected to the internet.
What's a router? Is that the little black box with the flashing lights?
Yes, that's the one. It's the device that creates our Wi-Fi network. All of our devices, like your laptop and my phone, connect to it. The router then connects to the internet from the outside world.
I see. So the problem is somewhere between that black box and the internet. Our connection inside the house is fine.
Exactly. We are connected to the local network, but not the wider network. Did you accidentally change the Wi-Fi password or anything?
No, of course not. I wouldn't even know how to do that. And if I did, our devices would say incorrect password. They wouldn't connect at all.
That's a good point. You are right. So the next logical step is to go and look at the router itself. Sometimes the lights on the box can tell us what is wrong.
Okay, let's go check it. It's in the living room, behind the television, right?
Yes, that's where it is. Come on, let's go be detectives.
All right. I'm looking at the little black box. There are so many tiny lights. Some are green, and they are all blinking. What are we looking for?
Let me see. I remember reading the manual when we first got it. Each light means something different. There should be a power light, a Wi-Fi light, and a light for the internet connection.
Okay, I see a light with a little power symbol next to it. That light is solid green. I guess that means it has power, so it's turned on.
Good, that's a start. Now, do you see a light that looks like a little globe or a planet? That is usually the internet light.
I see it. It's right here. But this light is not green. It's red, and it's blinking very slowly. Is that bad?
Yes, a red light is almost always a bad sign. It usually means the router is failing to connect to the internet service. The other lights might be green, but if that one is red, we have no internet.
So we found the problem. The box is telling us it can't connect. What do we do now? Is there a button we can press to fix it?
There are some buttons on the back, but we shouldn't press them without knowing what they do. Pushing the wrong button could reset everything to the factory settings, and then we would have a much bigger problem.
Oh, okay. No buttons then? So if the lights are wrong, what is the next step in fixing this? This feels a little complicated.
It's not too bad. There is one solution that fixes this problem most of the time. It's the first thing everyone tries, and it's very simple.
A simple solution that usually works? I like the sound of that. What is it? Please tell me we don't have to take it apart.
No, nothing like that. It's much, much easier. We just need to restart it. Or, as some people say, we need to power cycle it.
Restart it? You mean like you restart a computer? You just turn it off and then turn it back on again?
Exactly. That's the classic solution for so many electronic problems. Sometimes the router just gets stuck or has a small error in its system. Turning it off and on forces it to start over and can fix the connection.
Okay, I can do that. So where is the off switch? I don't see one.
Most routers don't have an off switch. To turn it off, you have to unplug the power cable from the back of the box or from the wall outlet.
I see the power cable. It's the black one plugged into the wall right here. So I should just pull it out?
Yes, pull the plug out of the wall socket, but then we have to wait. Don't plug it back in right away. It's very important to leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds or even a full minute.
Why do we have to wait? Why can't I just plug it back in immediately?
The waiting period ensures that the device fully loses power. This clears its internal memory of any small errors. It gives it a completely fresh start.
That makes sense. Okay, I'm pulling the plug now. Let's count to 30.
Okay, the router is unplugged. Did all the lights on the front turn off? We need to make sure it has no power at all.
Yes. Everything is dark. All the little green and red lights are gone. It's completely off. Now we wait. This is the part I don't like. The waiting.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. I think 30 seconds is enough time. Okay, you can plug it back into the wall now.
All right, I'm plugging it in. I hope this works. I really want to finish my show.
I know. I need to prepare for my video call. Okay, it's plugged in. What are the lights doing now?
The power light came on immediately. It's solid green, just like before. Now some other lights are starting to blink. They are mostly orange and green.
That's normal. This is the startup process. It's like a computer when it's booting up. It has to load its software and check all its connections. This part can take a few minutes.
Okay, so more waiting. The Wi-Fi light is blinking now, and the globe light, the internet light, it's blinking orange. It's not red anymore. Is orange a good sign?
Orange is better than red. Orange usually means it's trying to establish a connection. We need it to turn solid green. If it turns green, that means we're back online.
Come on, little light, turn green. This is surprisingly tense. I'm just staring at a little blinking light, hoping for it to change color.
Let's give it another minute. It can sometimes take up to 5 minutes for the whole process to complete. Let's be patient.
It has been more than 5 minutes, David. The internet light is still blinking orange. It never turned solid green. And the red light came back for a second.
I see that. I was really hoping that would work. Restarting the router fixes the problem 90% of the time. We must be in the unlucky 10% today.
So, what does this mean? Does it mean our router is broken? Do we need to buy a new one? Those things are expensive.
I don't think it's broken. If it were broken, the power light probably wouldn't even turn on. It is more likely that the problem is not with our equipment. The problem might be with the service provider.
You mean the company we pay for our internet every month? The problem could be on their end?
Yes, exactly. Sometimes their service goes down in an entire area. It's called a service outage. It could be due to bad weather or maybe some equipment failed in our neighborhood.
An outage. That makes sense. If that's the case, then nothing we do here in our apartment will fix it because the problem isn't here.
That's correct. Before we do anything else, we should check if there is a known outage in our area. If there is, all we can do is wait for the company to fix it.
How can we check that? We can't get on the internet to go to their website.
But I can use my phone. I can turn off the Wi-Fi on my phone and use my cellular data. It might be a bit slow, but it should be enough to check their website for any news.
Okay, I have turned off my Wi-Fi. Now I am on my cellular data plan. I'm going to the website for our internet service provider.
Good thinking. Using your phone's data is smart. Does their website have a place to check for problems?
Yes, most big companies have a support section. I'm looking for a link that says something like network status or check for outages. Here it is.
What does it say? Do we need to log in with our account information? I think I have the password written down somewhere.
No, it looks like I just need to enter our address or zip code. That's easier. I'll type in our address now and see what it reports for our neighborhood.
This is great. If there is an outage, it will save us a lot of time and effort trying to fix a problem that we can't solve.
Okay, I've submitted our address. It's checking the status now. This is taking a moment. I hope my phone's connection is strong enough.
What's the result? Is our whole neighborhood offline? Are all of our neighbors also complaining about their internet right now?
Well, this is not the answer I expected. The website says, no known service outages are reported in your area. It says the service should be working normally.
Are you serious? So the problem isn't the company or the neighborhood. The problem is just us. It's somewhere in our apartment.
It seems that way. This means we have to move on to the next step. I was hoping to avoid this, but I think we have no other choice.
If there is no outage and we have already restarted the router, what is the next step? I am running out of ideas.
The next step is to call for help. We need to call the technical support phone number for our internet provider. We need to speak to a real person.
Oh, I don't like making those calls. You have to wait on hold for a long time, and they make you answer so many questions.
I know, but it's our only option now. They can run tests from their end. They can see our router from their system and might be able to tell what is wrong.
Okay, you're right. Who should make the call? You seem to know more about the technical words than I do.
I can make the call, but I will need our account information. They will definitely ask for our account number to identify us.
I have our last bill right here in the folder. The account number is on the top right corner. I'll get it for you. Do you need anything else?
Maybe our full name and address, just to confirm our identity. Having the bill is perfect. I'll also need you to stay near the router. They will probably ask me to describe the lights again.
No problem. I will stay right here and be your eyes and ears. I can tell you exactly what the lights are doing.
Great. Let's do this. I'm looking up the technical support number on their website now. I will put my phone on speaker so you can hear the conversation too. Here we go. Hello? Yes, I'm calling because my internet service is not working. I can connect to my Wi-Fi, but there is no connection to the internet. My account number is 587721.
You're doing great. Sounds very professional.
Yes, David, that's correct. The address is 123 Main Street, apartment 4B. Okay, yes, I can check the router lights for you. My partner is right next to it. Emma, what is the internet light doing now?
The internet light is blinking red now. It was orange, but it turned red.
The internet light is blinking red. Okay. Yes, we have already done that. We unplugged the router from the power, waited for 1 minute, and then plugged it back in. We did that about 15 minutes ago.
Make sure you tell them it didn't work.
The problem did not change after the restart. It's still not working. Okay. You are going to run a diagnostic from your end? Great. Thank you. We will wait.
What's a diagnostic?
It's a test to find the problem. Okay, you found an issue? A configuration error? I see. Can it be fixed from your side?
I hope so. This is taking a long time.
Okay, so you are sending a signal to reset our connection. You want me to watch the lights on the router again? Understood. Emma, keep watching that globe light.
The lights are all blinking like crazy. Everything is flashing. I've never seen it do this before. What does that mean?
The agent on the phone says that is normal. The signal they sent is forcing a full reset of the connection. Just keep watching. What is happening now?
Okay, the blinking has stopped. Most of the lights are off, but the power light is on. Now the other lights are coming on one by one, very slowly. It's doing the same thing it did when we restarted it.
Okay, so we are watching the internet light again. Is it orange?
It's blinking orange, just like before. Wait, it stopped blinking. It's not orange anymore. David, the light is solid green.
Are you sure? A solid green light? That's fantastic. Hello? Yes, I am still here. My partner says the internet light is now solid green.
It is. It really is. Try to load a website on your phone.
Okay, let me try. I'm opening my web browser now, and it works. The page loaded instantly. We have internet. Thank you so much for your help. You were very helpful. Yes, you have a great day too. Goodbye.
We did it. We have internet again. That was amazing. You were so good on the phone.
We were a good team. I couldn't have done it without you telling me what the lights were doing. I am so relieved. Now I can get ready for my video call without stressing.
And I can finally watch my show. It's amazing how much we depend on the internet for everything, from work to entertainment. I feel so disconnected when it's gone.
I know exactly what you mean. Well, problem solved. High five.